So today I'm going to be using Sinus bleaching powder, developer, water, a bowl, purple shampoo, and a butter knife. I'm using the plastic one today. If you have the iron one, you can use that. So I'm bleaching a 10 inches HD Frontal from my brand, Alola Express Hair. You can shop on Instagram. So let's get started. I'm gonna spray water on the frontal to get the flyovers and baby hairs back, like out of the way. We want to bleach the knot, not the frontal, like not the hair itself. Same way you measure if salt is enough for your food. Yeah, that's how I measure my bleach. I add more if I need to, but less is safe. Then I had a little bit of developer that's enough to make a thick paste, and I begin to stir. I make a thick paste because I don't want it to be runny, or I don't want it to seep through the lace and it begins to, bleach what I don't want it to bleach. So I begin to spread like I'm spreading butter on bread. Yeah, that's how you spread. I'm not putting pressure. I'm not applying so much pressure so it doesn't stain my strands. While that is going on, while we are spreading, I'm just going to chip in this. The fact that I'm using a Sinus bleaching powder doesn't necessarily mean you have to buy a Sinus bleaching powder. If there is any other bleaching powder you have, so far it is a bleaching powder. You can use it. So far it's a developer. You can use it. Just make sure that we'll get to that part, but I'm just telling you the fact that I'm using a particular brand in this video does not necessarily mean you use that particular brand. And also you can use instead of using the butter knife, you can use spoon, you can use brush. Just use what is convenient for you. So now that we are done spreading, I'm just going to let this sit. As you can see, there is no bleeding. Yeah, as you all can see, there's no bleeding. Yeah, like I'm bad like that. So I'm just going to set my timer to 20 minutes. I'm going to let this sit. You don't necessarily have to use the same timing as I am using, depending on the brand of bleaching powder and developer you're using. So at 13 minutes left, I'm checking again to see if it is done. It is almost done, but I want it to bleach more. So like I was saying, the brand will determine how long you let it stay, so just watch it often. So at 3 minutes left, I'm going to wash off, and that is what I'm doing currently. So once you're done washing off the bleach, you're going to apply your purple shampoo. The purple shampoo eradicates like the gold tone like that you get. Like it tones it. I don't know how to explain, but when you use the purple shampoo, you'll be able to get like the gist of what I'm trying to explain. So I let my purple shampoo sit in through. I scrub it all through the frontal knots so that it can work its magic. So you all, this is the result of bleaching our nuts together. Yeah, I love it this way. It matches my skin tone, matches my client's tone because we are, yeah, same complexion. So that is basically how it works. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notification. I love you all. Bye.